Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited for this video because it's our first mail time.
It is. We got some mail and we're going to show you exactly what we got from some of our subscribers and some of our friends in our Disney community. First off, as you know, we did a Christmas card exchange and we got some Christmas cards after the holiday, so they did not make it into our Christmas card exchange video. We wanted to give Just Out and About, Don and Kathy, a shout out for their Christmas card they sent us, and also to Karen's USA Adventures for the card she sent us as well. It was a nice card that actually taught us about Boxing Day, which is a holiday they celebrate over in the UK.
Yes, so thank you so much.
And we also got a card from a viewer named Rebecca. Rebecca won our giveaway for our food and wine ears that we did. Rebecca was nice enough to send us a card, and she also included a $25 Disney gift card. Totally awesome. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. We will make sure this goes to putting forward some good videos for all of you. So thank you so much.
Next up, we have these beauties, which were sent to us by Bob and Ashley. If you don't already, be sure to head over to their YouTube channel. We will link it below. They put up some great Disney videos, and they are really great friends of ours. So be sure to head over there, and thank you guys so much for sending these. Ashley knew how much I wanted them, and I'm so excited to wear these in the parks on our upcoming trip. Next up, we have something really exciting. I am so humbled by receiving these. Like, I can't even put it into words. So unnecessary, but we appreciate it so much, or I appreciate it because they're for me.
They're for her, yeah.
But somebody sent us some really amazing shirts that I'm so excited to wear. They're all Disney shirts. They're all from a store on Etsy called Carolina Magnolia Designs. And it's this one, which is so cute.
It's BB-8 with a Mickey hat.
And I love the colors with the tan and the orange. It's so cute. And then next, it's all of these are from Carolina Magnolia Designs. And next is this one. Nice
little saying on it.
I love it. It's so cute. And I have a couple shirts in this color, and I wear them all the time. It's like one of my favorite colors, so thank you so much. And then the last one is all of the parks represented in this shirt, and it's like a beautiful teal color.
I think that's a 4-park challenge shirt. So if you're doing all 4 parks in one day, that's the shirt you wear.
Yeah.
So I might have to get a shirt like that.
So we can do that.
We've bought shirts from that store before.
Yeah, they're so awesome.
And it's a great shop.
But the thing is that it didn't have who they were from, so I don't know who to thank, but thank you so much. It's so not necessary. And I was like in tears when I opened it because I was like, I can't believe somebody sent this to us.
She asked me if I bought them, and I was like, no, I did not. So if you were the one who sent us those shirts or sent her those shirts,
please
comment down below
so that we can properly thank you. Yeah. Because that's so not necessary, but thank you so much. I'm so excited to wear all of these.
Yeah, and just so you know how we do mail time, if you send us something and you want to send us something, down below in the description is our P.O. box. Please address it to Bryson and Crystal. That's how the P.O. box is set up. And we will send you a postcard or something back thanking you for what you sent us, because it's not necessary, but we love interacting with people. I mean, just cards, anything. So if you want to, once again, send us something, down below in the description, find our P.O. box and just address it to Bryson and Crystal, and we will gladly send you some in return.
Thank you.
Well, recently we did a 4-channel giveaway with some other YouTube channels, and the winner of that channel was Christy's Corner. And Christy was nice enough to send us this awesome Space Mountain postcard. Now, it's so pretty, and she wrote us to thank us for doing the giveaway and picking her as the winner, and it was so nice of her. She wished us a happy holidays. She sent it right after the holidays. Totally unneeded. Very nice of her. We've actually been able to communicate with her since she won the contest. Great person. She also has a YouTube channel, so go over to Christy's Corner and subscribe to her.
We'll link her below as well.
Any channel that we mention will always be linked below in our description.
Next up, we have a really beautiful card that I received as a birthday card. I'm so excited. This is from Steve and Karen, and they said that they had found this card and they knew it was my birthday back in December and thought that it was the perfect birthday card for me. I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much for thinking of me. It's so cute. I love it. I wish I would eat that. It's so cute. It's cute enough to eat. But thank you so much. It's so kind.
Now next we have another card. This comes from the Myers family, and the Myers family also sent us a Starbucks gift card.
Thank you so much.
Because they know how much we like Starbucks.
We like Starbucks?
Yeah. So we appreciate that. The Myers family says, Bryson and Crystal, thank you so much for all the tips and tricks that you have taught us along the way. It's been so fun to watch your adventures and enjoy your time in the park. Thank you so much, and please enjoy the Starbucks on Us on your next adventure. Can't wait to watch it.
Aw, thank you so much.
That's amazing.
I love that card too.
Yeah, it's a really pretty card.
I told him I was going to frame it. And he laughed at me.
Might be behind the wall soon. We got one more card here. It's probably my favorite card. We got a blinged out stormtrooper.
Not Darth Vader.
Yeah, Crystal said this was Darth Vader. That's funny, right? This came from the Walters family, and the Walters family, this is pretty humbling. I mean, they gave us a $25 gift card to Disney.
Thank you so much.
I have not enough words to say thank you. That's phenomenal. And they, along the same lines, said, for love of the mouse, thank you so much for all that you do for the Disney community. For those of us that can't be in Disney World, it's great to watch your videos and see how much fun you're having and live our dream through you. We appreciate all that you do with your tips and tricks. Apparently we do tips and tricks. That's the
We do.
No, we do. It's just funny that they both said that. But please enjoy this gift card and please have some fun on us. We thank you again for all that you do, the Walters family.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's
so nice.
I don't know what to say.
Bryson's probably going to frame that one and put it next to the bed.
Yeah, we're framing one. We're framing that one. So, no, that's...
Thank you, guys.
This is so unbelievable.
That's so nice.
We never thought anything like this would happen. We got a P.O. box just to interact with everyone. But for you guys to send us gift cards or whoever sent us the
card.
shirts,
Like,
just the
that's
cards.
so nice. We're so thankful.
Yeah, just to spend a stamp on us, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's definitely not why we do this. But
No, but we do appreciate anybody and wants to send us something.
Thank you so much.
So anyway, once again, if you do want to send us something, we'll do some more mail time videos once we get a few things and we can do a video. If you have a YouTube channel, we'll gladly shout you out. And if you're just a viewer, we'll give you a shout out.
And I know a couple of these people are people who follow us on other social media too, so thank you.
Yeah, some of these people follow us, I believe, on Instagram and stuff, so that's cool. So once again, our P.O. box is down below in our description of every video. So if you want to send us something, please do, and we'll gladly send you something in return to say thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
All right, well, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you like this video, and hit the bell icon so that you're notified on Mondays and Fridays whenever we release a new video.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by.
And for the love of the mouse,
Never forget
that it all started
with a mouse.